Hercules, Hercules, Hercules.
They're food buckets for the horses, and I need to wash them so they can eat of them again for tonight. Have dinner in them.
Okay. They don't give you easy jobs here, do they?
I know.
What are these?
The poles what we use to walk over.
Oh, the horse goes over these poles?
Yeah.
What'd you just have to do to them?
Clean them for them.
Oh, okay. You lift it over your head? All the way? Oh my God, look at you. Freaking A! Hercules! Hercules, Hercules, Hercules!
You need to show Mom that picture.
How long? Okay, now you gotta hold it there till it dries. How long can you hold it? How long can you hold it? A test of endurance.
Yeah, that's about.
That's it?
Yes.
Well, you did good.